If you are successful, but you cry in fear that what if you never find love, then this video is going to change everything about how you see love and you experience love. So stop scrolling if you're successful, impressive personality, and you're well accomplished in your career, but you feel completely unloved and empty within. Hi, Namaste Trainer and a Trauma Ease Coach, where I guide working professionals just like you to feel secure, successful, and loved, and thrive in your life, being limitless. So now you all have checked all the boxes of success in your career, in your money. You have your independent life where you really enjoy your space, but your heart deep within just feels like that it's missing out on something. Yet you attract people who don't see your real worth. If that's you, I really want you to comment empty in the comment box right now, because when you declare out, that is when you get to talk to your subconscious and you easily can rewire. So what's the reality check? Here's what nobody tells you. Your childhood programmed you to believe that being too much or too successful, being independent, or say very smart will make you unlovable. Somewhere you've believed with time. So your inner child learned, I have to choose between success and love. So what are the mistakes which is keeping you trapped? With 3 highlights, you can check if you fall into this category or not. Dimming your inner me. Deep within, you downplay achievements, hoping someone will love you. Overgiving more than what you should be giving out from your capacity. You become the perfect girlfriend or wife, perfect boyfriend or husband, but you lose yourself completely. And there is a success guilt that you carry deep within you. You feel guilty for wanting both career success and deep love equally, but there is a disbelief that you don't believe. So these are the 3 key highlights. Let's now quickly move on to the solution part, for which you all have been waiting for. So first is, you have to integrate by repeating, I am successful because I am lovable. I am successful because I am lovable. I am successful because I am lovable. Practice saying, I deserve both success and love daily, because when you will say this daily, you will balance all the areas of your life. And now I will move you guys so that you can align your energy with the goal that you really want. So stop analyzing with your accomplishments and your failures in your relationship. The childhood wound that created a false choice is not your reality. And trust me, the right people will come into your life to inspire you, moving more towards your success. So are you ready to heal? If yes, book your one-on-one clarity call. The link is down below. And do stick here if you really want to know more about how you can celebrate and attract a partner who believes in your power. We all want that, right? So if you have really enjoyed this video, I definitely want you to hit like, to comment below what did you really love and enjoy about this video, to comment what more you want me to make videos on, and also to subscribe to my channels and hit the bell icon so that you know whenever I come live, you get notified. And also the WhatsApp group is absolutely free for you all. So come, do join, be a part of the community, and be limitless. Don't limit your success. Bye-bye. I'll see you guys soon.